Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Today we will discuss some MCQs over the life of Justice Mahadev Ranade. Mahadev Govind Ranade, despite being a conservative person, he protested against the existing paralyzed caste system. He also founded several institutions seeking reform in education for girls, women, and peasants as well. He was also known as one of the dominating members of the INC, Indian National Congress, in its early year formation. He also supported and favored for small scale industries for the stable economy of India, bringing several books and essays over the existing society's condition. One of them is Rising of the Maratha Power. Now moving to our first question. The first question is the book Rise of the Maratha Power was written by option A Mahadev Govind Ranade, option B Tilak, option C Savarkar, option D Dadabhai Nauroji. And the correct option would be option A Mahadev Govind Ranade, who wrote the book Rise of the Maratha Power over its economy. Now moving to second question. Who was the founder of the Widow Marriage Association in 1861? Option A B.M. Malabari, option B Dadabhai Nauroji, option C Tilak, option D Mahadev Govind Ranade. And the founder of the Widow Marriage Association was Mahadev Govind Ranade, who established it in 1861 for the widow women. Now moving to third question. Who wrote the essays on Indian economy? Option A Dadabhai Nauroji, option B Amrit Sen, option C Mahadev Govind Ranade, option D Meenu Masani. And the correct option is option C Mahadev Govind Ranade, who wrote essays on Indian economy, because he was also an economist despite being a social worker and politician as well. Now moving to fourth question, be careful, choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. First, Mahadev Ranade, edited Bombay, the Anglo-Marathi daily newspaper. Second, he never cited the constitutional means to get rid of from the slavery of British government. He was awarded the Companion of the Order of the Indian Empire by British government for his contribution to the societies and government as well. What would be the correct option? Option A only second, and third option B only third, and first. Option B only third and first, option C only third, and option D all. And the correct option would be option B third and first, because first Mahadev Ranade edited the Bombay, the Anglo-Marathi daily newspaper. Second is incorrect because he never cited the constitution meant to get rid of from the slavery of British government. The statement is incorrect because he was a moderate leader, so he was in favor of constitutional means to get the independence. And the third statement is also right. He was also awarded as a Companion of the Order of the Indian Empire by the British government for his contribution to the societies and government as well. So the correct option is option B only third and first. Moving to fifth question. Which statement is not correct? First, Ranade was instrumental in establishment of 1870 for the formation of Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. Option second, the Sabha was a bridge between people and government. And the third, the Tilak, Gopal Hari Deshmukh and other leaders were also its member. Which statements are not correct? It means incorrect. The question is asking for incorrect statement. Regarding the formation of Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. The first statement, Ranade was instrumental in the formation of Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, is the correct option. Statement second, the Sabha was a bridge between the people and the government, seeking the social issues of the people, peasants and others. And third, Tilak, Gopal Hari Deshmukh and other leaders were also its members. So all the three statements are correct, and correct option would be option D, because option D would be correct because all the statements are correct. Now moving to sixth question. Which institution was not found by Ranade? Option A, Vakrutujak Sabha, Widow Marriage Association. Option C, Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. Option D, Shiksha Sadan. Sorry. And the correct statement would be option D. Shiksha Sadan was found by Sarla Devi Chaudharani instead Mahadev Govind Ranade. And option A, B, C, all the three institutions were established by the Ranade. So the correct option is option D, which was not found by Ranade. Now moving to seventh question. Who was the founder of the Maharashtra Granthotejak Sabha? Option A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option B, Mahadev Govind Ranade. Option C, J.R.D. Tata. Option D, B.M. Malabari. Who was the founder of the Maharashtra Granthotejak Sabha? And the correct option is option B, Mahadev Govind Ranade, who established or founder of the Maharashtra Granthotejak Sabha. Moving to eighth question. Who was instrumental in the establishment and promotion of Pratna Samaj? Option A, Justice Mahadev Ranade. Option B, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option C, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option D, Madan Mohan Malviya. Who was the main promoter of the Pratna Samaj? And the correct statement is option A, Justice Mahadev Ranade, who was main promoter of Pratna Samaj. Moving to ninth question. Who established the Hujur Paga, oldest girls high school in Maharashtra, in 1885 by the member of Maharashtra Girls Education Society? The question is asking for the members of the Maharashtra Girls Education Society who established the Hujur Paga, the oldest girls high school in Maharashtra, is still functioning nowadays. Option A, Justice Ranade along with Vaman A. Modak and Dr. R.G. Bhandarkar. Option B, Tilak, Vaman A. Modak and Dr. R.G. Bhandarkar. Option C, Tilak, Vaman A. Modak and Dada Bhai Nauroji. And option D, none. And the correct option is option A, Justice Ranade along with Vaman A. Modak and Dr. R.G. Bhandarkar, who established the Hujur Paga, the oldest girls high school in Maharashtra, in 1885, which is still functioning now. Now moving to last question. Which statement is correct? Asking for correct statement. First, he was known as a Justice Ranade is correct statement. Second, he was also the supporter of small scale industries for the development of stable economy. Second statement is also correct. Third, he became a member of the Bombay Legislative Council in 1885. It is also correct. And so all the statements are correct, and the correct statement is option D. D is correct. Please like, share, and subscribe our initiative. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers.